It's crazy. We have the Houston Car Meets Car Meet. Hit him up in the description. Hit him up on Instagram. He told me I could come out. It's my second car show, like car meet that I've been to. So I'm gonna just walk around, see how everybody's doing. I got something boosted over there. Something blowing off. Got something boosted. Still, no, it's only like, what time? Like 9. Yeah, it's like 9:30 right now. So it's still kind of early. It's cold as fuck. It's cold as shit. Got some more cars going in. That's cool. We got a bag Mustang. Awesome. With the bags. That's nice. Like a road cage in it. What's in it? What's in it? What's in it? Yeah, it looks tough. As soon as I saw that. Holy shit. Holy shit. What motor is it? That's not the Toyota, is it?
Factory, it's a 2.3, but it's a 2.0. We're over to a 2.0.
Wow. That's crazy. That's an amazing build. That's an amazing build. That's nice. Respect the build, man. That thing is nice. That thing is crazy. First we go. Yeah, it's cool. It's not as many people because it's so cold, but let's see if we get a burnout. It's crazy. People doing burnouts. Oh, I seen him yesterday. Oh. Seen that kid with the Deadpool. I see you, Deadpool. Yeah, that's a beautiful build. He said it's got like 11,000 horsepower. It's crazy. No, 1,100, not 11,000. 1,100 horsepower on that Supra. I really love those cars. I like classics. You know, I wasn't around for the 60s and 70s. So that's like a classic to me. He also has an RX-7. He has an RX-7 and that Toyota Supra. Two classic cars. I'm gonna see if I can get some people driving by, exiting. Just walking around here. See who else is out. Big B TV, where you at, man? You should come out here, Big B. Let's see what else they got. Back with Deadpool. Oh, we got the Maserati. Shout out to River Oaks. Trey sells cars, River Oaks. See the badge. See the badge. Hey, straight out of Panther! Hey! Crazy. That's fucking crazy. Oh shit. Going again. That motherfucker. That is insane. That motherfucker is insane. Big B TV! That's the ride. It's too cold. I can't keep my hands. I can't even tight. Got these guys over there. You got those guys over there. Let's get the silly. I'll call it a day. My fucking hands are freezing. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. It was around 10:30. Headed home. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Straight out of content. It was a cool car meet. Houston Car Meets. Thanks for letting me come through. Thanks for letting me come through, man. I'm headed out. It's freezing. My hands are cold. I'm headed out, man. You know, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.